Before you drill, cut or grind, this could save your fingers or your life. Power tools are essential on any project site, but with power comes risk. Today let's walk through safety best practices based on OSHA and NIOSH standards. Rule 1. Always wear the right PPE. Goggles, gloves, and hearing protection aren't optional. OSHA standard 1910.132 requires it, and NIOSH supports it as a core risk control. Next, inspect your tools before use. Look for frayed cords, cracked housings, and missing guards. NIOSH highlights this in its pre-task risk assessments. Third-party inspections are essential. Tools should be tested, certified, and clearly labeled with a valid inspection sticker. No sticker? No use. Know your tool. Read the manual. Don't guess. OSHA data shows that misuse causes a major percentage of tool-related injuries. Control your environment, dry floors, clear pathways, proper lighting. NIOSH emphasizes workspace condition as a hazard mitigation strategy. Never bypass safety features. That guard or emergency stop, it's there to save you. OSHA refers to these as engineering controls, your first line of defense. Power tools multiply your skill but also your risk. Use them right, inspect them, certify them, check for valid stickers, respect them. Like, share, and subscribe to NGTech 25 for more safety-smart engineering tips. Follow the standards, OSHA, NIOSH, and common sense. Because safety isn't optional, it's survival.